Fire Safety for Landlords and HMO Owners, Part 3, Fire Detection and Alarm Systems, England. Early warning saves lives by giving people time to escape. As a landlord or HMO owner, you must ensure appropriate fire detection and warning is provided and maintained for your property based on its risks and use and what your fire risk assessment specifies. First, the basic legal baseline in standard rented homes. You must have at least one smoke alarm on every story with living accommodation. You must also have a carbon monoxide alarm in any room used as living accommodation with a fixed combustion appliance, except gas cookers. And the required alarms must be checked as working at the start of each new tenancy. For HMOs, the required system is often more extensive and is commonly set through a combination of the fire risk assessment and local authority HMO standards and license expectations. For example, some smaller shared HMOs may be accepted with a Grade D1 LD2 system, interlinked mains alarms with standby supply, while taller or higher-risk HMOs may require a Grade A system with a control panel and manual call points. A quick guide to grades and LD categories, BS 58396. Grade A is a panel system with separate detectors and sounders and control and indicating equipment. Grade D1 is mains-powered alarms with a tamper-proof standby battery. Grade F, F1, F2 is battery-powered alarms, generally a lower level of protection. LD1 covers escape routes plus all rooms. LD2 covers escape routes plus high-risk rooms and areas. LD3 covers escape routes only. Important note on blocks of flats. In purpose-built blocks designed for a stay-put strategy, you would not normally expect a communal fire alarm system to be installed, and communal alarms should not be fitted unless there's no other practicable way to ensure safety. Common landlord mistakes include installing the wrong grade or coverage for the property and occupancy, failing to interlink alarms where an interlinked system is expected so everyone gets warned at the same time, not having a clear testing and maintenance routine, or leaving faults unresolved. Not replacing alarms at end of life, replaced by the manufacturer's replace by date, often 10 years. Finally, let the fire risk assessment drive the right solution for your building. Don't assume what you have today is compliant, get the system checked against your risk assessment and the relevant standards and local requirements. In the next video, we'll look at fire doors and escape routes in HMOs. Subscribe to continue the series.